Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.47. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 24.74% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.92% per day since it was recognized as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $130.31 would first signal a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 16.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 14.21% to positive 23.14%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 36.75%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 66.27% and negative 36.19% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $41.57 and $78.64. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Advanced Micro Devices. The stock price of Advanced Micro Devices increased by 1.24% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. The price rose from $121.73 to $123.24. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.71%, with a low of $120.81 and a high of $124.08. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 of them and is up by 7.58% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 13 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.09 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the near future. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the stock is down by 34.19%, or $64.04, compared to the 52-week high, and is 45.78%, or $104.06, below the all-time high of $227.30, which occurred on the 8th of March, 2024. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is currently on a robust growth path, particularly in its data center segment, which includes rapidly increasing sales of AI chips. Recently reported figures for the year 2024 indicated an impressive $12.6 billion in data center revenue, reflecting a remarkable 94% increase compared to the previous year. Predictions for the following year suggest that this revenue could easily exceed $20 billion, further strengthening AMD's position as it aims to compete with NVIDIA in the AI chip market. In today's trading session, AMD's stock experienced a noteworthy 3.4% rise, benefiting from a broader market rally as the S&P 500 reclaimed the 6,000 level. market sentiment is shifting positively, with a significant decrease in recession fears among CEOs, dropping from over 60% to under 30% in just 1 month. Coupled with declining inflation rates, this creates a favorable atmosphere for tech stocks, including AMD. As more companies such as Nokia adopt AMD's EPYC processors for their cloud infrastructure, the long-term outlook appears optimistic. The current technical indicators also show strong support for the stock, suggesting potential upward momentum. Investors are increasingly viewing AMD as a compelling opportunity, especially in light of its strong fundamentals and market positioning. Looking ahead, any advancements in AMD's AI capabilities and broader economic stability may drive the stock higher, both in the short and long term. As analyst predictions remain positive, the anticipation surrounding upcoming inflation data is likely to add to the stock's volatility. Overall, AMD stands out as a strong buy for those seeking both immediate gains and future growth in the semiconductor and AI markets. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. The stock's price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. In terms of return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $118.20 and $107.64. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 57.58%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, buy signal, noted 34 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $117.72. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.27 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 2.71%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 56 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $117.72. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D made an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. Also on the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the same day, he sold 9,610 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, he sold 300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 11.999. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 666,675 shares and sold a total of 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $119.32, representing a decrease of 3.18%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, there's a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 43 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices shows several positive signals and is part of a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a wise choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by approximately 532/100ths and begin trading at $122.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.